Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the screen brightness icon, and on the quick panel you can basically tap on this icon to enable or disable the automatic brightness for the screen. So if you tap on the icon and it's grayed out, it means that the automatic screen brightness is disabled, and if you tap on it and the icon is highlighted, it means that the automatic brightness is enabled. But you can customize this even more in settings. So let's tap on the settings icon right here, then tap on display, and here we can disable the automatic screen brightness, and then we can scroll down and we have two modes. We have day brightness and night brightness. Tap on day brightness, and here you can adjust the screen brightness for the day. Then you can swipe right, tap on the night brightness, adjust the brightness for the night. And if you want to basically set when the night should start and when it should end, you have the night start and night end. You can tap on night start to adjust when it should start, then night end, like that. And now the basically screen brightness will be changing according to your liking. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.